with progressives, social workers, left-wing, sandal-wearing, Birkenstock-clad, long-haired, maggot-infested, no underarm deodorant, little socialist daycare workers running into your house pretending to be cops. I mean, who's more progressive than social workers? Anyway, now, even St. Petersburg, Florida is going to do it. And never mind that it means social workers are going to have to deal with drug addicts and the mentally ill. And believe me, those kinds of people can become violent without warning at any time. This is going to lead to the death of social workers. It's going to lead to massive lawsuits against cities and towns. Here's the Tampa Bay Times reporting on it. Police in St. Petersburg to step back from nonviolent emergency calls. Soon social workers will respond to certain nonviolent calls, not police. Social workers will respond to calls in St. Petersburg about people who are intoxicated or who have overdosed, people who are in mental health crises, or people who are suicidal, are homeless. They will get involved with neighbor disputes, disorderly kids, and truants. The social workers will be in regular clothes and they will not be armed. Well, I don't know. This is going to be fun to watch. Oh, of course they're going to salary increase after defunding the cops. But well, this is the thing. Mr. Snerdley, the official program observer, just asked me how long do I think this experiment is going to last. And by experiment, the specific experiment of social workers taking over the role of cops. How long is that going to last? I have no idea. Why do you think you obviously think it's not going to last very long? If social workers get killed in this mess, if that happens, who do you think is going to get blamed for it? Do you think the social worker are going to get blamed for not doing a good job? So St. Petersburg is getting rid of the cops. The cops are not going to deal with this. They're going to deal with what is supposed violent stuff. The social workers get to deal with mental